7 120. There are 212 students enrolled in geometry at West Valley High School. Of these students, 64 are freshmen and 112 are sophomores. Alright, so for A, it says if a random geometry student is chosen, what is the chance in percent the student is a freshman or a sophomore? Show how you can use the addition rule to answer this question. What was unusual about using the addition rule to answer this question? Alright, so we want the probability of event A or event B. And then that's going to equal the probability of A, oopsie, let me change that, probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and B. So this is that part that is the intersection where they're the same thing. But in this particular question for A, we're talking about freshmen and sophomores. So are freshmen and sophomores going to be, is a sophomore going to be a freshman or is a freshman going to be a sophomore? No. So when we look at this, the probability of a freshman student is 64 out of 212 plus the probability of a sophomore is going to be 112 over 212. And there's no intersection of freshmen and sophomores, so this is going to be 0, which typically when we use the addition rule, this won't be the case. So then to figure out this probability, and they told us they wanted it in percent, 64 plus 112 is 176 over 212, which divided by 212 is 83.0%. Alright, now for B, it says 114 of the geometry students perform in band and 56 perform in chorus. There is a 75% chance that a geometry student performs in either band or chorus. What is the probability a geometry student performs in both band and chorus? So this is talking about an intersection. So if we set this up, we want the probability of band or chorus, and I know the probability of band plus the probability of chorus minus the intersection A and B. Actually, I shouldn't put A and B, the intersection of band and chorus. So how we do this is they gave me 75% is actually the answer here, so this is 75%, and then I know this is going to be for band is going to be 114 wait a second, yeah, 114, and then that's over 212, and then plus 56 over 212 minus the intersection here, and we'll just call it probability of B and C, of band and chorus. So now I just have to solve this equation, and so this is going to be what, 0.75 equals 114 divided by 212 plus 56 divided by 212 equals, so this right here is going to be what, 0.802 minus probability of B and C. So then I'm going to subtract this from here. So when I subtract 0.801 minus 0.75, I get negative 0.051, or 519 equals minus probability B and C. And then when we divide by -1, we know that the probability of B and C is going to be roughly 5.2%. And that's our answer. So the intersection of band and chorus is 5.2%.